Are you procrastinating right now? Perhaps you want to lose a few pounds. Or maybe you're trying to beat an addiction. Whatever it is, we could all do with more willpower. So, here are the top 4 tricks for helping you increase your willpower. Number 1. Your willpower is limited. Many people think that willpower is some infinite resource, but in reality, it works more like a fuel tank. See, brain scans confirm that with each use of willpower, the self-control system in the brain becomes less active. It's as if your power is being depleted. This explains why smokers who refrain from cigarettes are more likely to binge on ice cream afterwards. And even more surprisingly, why people on a diet are more likely to cheat on their significant other. What does this mean? Well, a lot of the times, people get this burst of motivation to fix all their problems at once. They'll aim to lose weight, quit smoking, and exercise daily, all at the same time. But if you do this, your willpower will be drained very quickly and you're not going to be able to carry through with any of the goals. Instead, focus all your willpower on one goal at a time. Number 2. Self-acceptance is better than guilt. Think back to times when you failed to carry through with your goal. Maybe you broke your diet or just kept on procrastinating. There's a huge sense of guilt, right? Now, people see this as a good thing. If you're not hard on yourself, you'll always be lazy. But this is completely wrong. See, feelings of guilt put us in a bad mood, and when this happens, fMRI scans show our brains switch to a reward-seeking state. We want immediate gratification, so we can quickly feel better again. Now, unfortunately, this is often at the expense of our long-term goals, and consequently, we feel even guiltier. Instead, it's better to forgive yourself when you stuff up. Just consider this experiment. Women on a diet were firstly asked to eat a whole donut. The act of breaking their diet obviously made them feel guilty. At this point, researchers gave half the women a message to relieve guilt. They told them everyone makes mistakes, and so we shouldn't be so hard on ourselves. The other half didn't get this message. Now, here's the important part. These women were then given candy afterwards and told that they could eat as much or as little as they wanted. Those who got the message only ate 28 grams. But those who didn't ate almost 70 grams, more than twice the other group. So, don't be too harsh on yourself next time you fail. Number 3. Willpower is contagious. Humans are social animals. If we see someone do something, we have a strong natural instinct to mimic them. This is what makes willpower contagious. If we see someone trying to achieve a goal we want, it can motivate us. For example, in one study, students read a story about another student who worked over spring break. This goal of making money caught on, and the participants worked harder and faster to earn money in the subsequent lab task. In another study, students were asked to merely think about a friend who doesn't smoke marijuana. This act of thinking alone made them less interested in smoking themselves. So, if you want to achieve a goal, find a friend with the same goal and motivate each other. Number 4. Don't imagine yourself achieving a goal. A lot of self-help books will tell you to visualize yourself succeeding. But consider this, researchers followed obese women who were trying to lose weight. Turns out, those with the most positive fantasies about reaching their weight goals lost the least amount of weight. A similar effect happened when McDonald's introduced a healthy menu option. Ironically, the sales of Big Macs skyrocketed. In both cases, the problem was people started visualizing themselves being healthy. With McDonald's, the salad option merely made customers imagine themselves choosing the nutritious option. Now, the thing is, fantasizing tricks the brain into thinking it's already achieved the desired goal. Consequently, since you feel that you've made progress, you allow yourself to indulge more, even though there's nothing to show for it. So, while it's nice to fantasize, you should stop this habit immediately. And those are the top 4 tricks you should use to enhance your willpower.